Today in this video bringing you my tutorial for Gladiator Beast Journalist. So I chose now to put some online gameplay in the background. I think it's better than sharing a gameplay against computer. So I'm gonna be clear on what my deck can do as going first or going second. And of course my combo will depend on what my opponent does. So of course, I'm going first. It doesn't depend what your opponent does because you don't know what he did, what he gonna did. So when I'm going first with that deck, my main goal is trying to summon as many times I can Editor. It's a fusion monster for Gladiator Beast deck, and he requires 2 level 5 at least Gladiator Beast. And so there is a combo that pretty easy to bring out it with Atorix and Augustus. So when you start your turn, you're gonna try to have 2 monsters on your side of the field, and at least one a big Gladiator Beast, because it's the materials that require the Link 2 Gladiator Beast. And the Link 2 allow you to search a Gladiator Beast card, so it's very good effect when it's summoned. Plus, his second effect, you can target one Gladiator Beast you control, send it back to the deck, summon another from a different name, and then it's treated as a Gladiator Beast summoning effect. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, the Gladiator Beast deck, they have bonus effect, the monster in that deck. If they are summoned by a Gladiator Beast effect, they gain their bonus effect. So with the Link 2 effect to summon from deck, is treated as a Gladiator Beast effect even if the Link 2 isn't. So the main goal of the Link 2 is target a monster that isn't Augustus on your side of the field. Then you send it back in deck, special summon Augustus from your deck. Augustus is level 8, so it's a target for the Fusion Editor monster I talked about previously. Then you activate Augustus effect to special summon Atorix from your hand. Augustus allows you to special summon Gladiator Beast from your hand if he's summoned with a Gladiator Beast effect. So it also works on another copy of Augustus. So if you have 1 or 2 more copy of Augustus, just special summon all your copy you have before. So, and your last summon is Atorix with your last Augustus. And when Atorix is summoned with a Gladiator Beast effect, she allows you to send a Gladiator Beast monster from your deck or extra deck to graveyard. And then she becomes the level and the name of the monster. So mainly I send another copy of Augustus, or if I open with my 3 Augustus, I send Vestapus to graveyard, is level 7. I play only 1 copy. And then Artorix become level 8, so you will have Augustus plus Artorix that are at least level 5 or higher, so you use them as fusion material for Editor, and Editor doesn't require polymerization, just having the 2 monsters on the field. So with these 2 monsters, you made your Editor, and then Editor allow you to cheat out a fusion monster Gladiator Beast from your extra deck. So if you don't know what I mean by cheat out, it just special summon a monster by ignoring his summon condition. So I mainly summon Dominatus, I mean. Without Dominatus is a fusion monster that have on spot turn, it can negate the monster effect, and plus during battle phase you choose which monster your opponent battle. And my second target is Heraklinos. Heraklinos can negate a spell trap card for your opponent by discarding 1 Gladiator Beast card as a cost. It's not on spot turn, so if you have 3 Gladiator Beast cards in your hand, you can negate 3 spell trap cards in a row if you want. Just be careful, if you can't pay the cost, you can use the negate, and the card you have to discard have to be a Gladiator Beast card. There is also a last target is Gizarus. When you special summon, you just destroy 2 cards on the field. My last target. And why Editor is the main monster of the deck? It's because his effect to special summon a monster from extra deck is not once per turn, it's once per turn per copy. So it means it's a soft once per turn. It means when he's on the field, you can activate his effect only one time. But if Editor leave the field and came back, you can reuse the effect. So I play a World Legacy Succession in that deck that was recommended by a friend. And I play also 3 copies of the Gladiator Beast card that reborn a Gladiator Beast from the graveyard. And mainly the Gladiator Beast card that reborn a Gladiator Beast, it's the which one I search with the link to effect, or if I already have, I search another thing. And as going first, you try to finish, I think if you can special summon only one monster with Editor, you special summon only Dominatus, because negate effect monster is the best thing to have. If you can special summon 2, you made Heraclinios. And then also, if I can end with Predaplant, a link to that require only 2 monster effect, I finish my turn as going first by using his effect to special summon Rainbow Neos. And even if Rainbow Neos is more a Ghost Second monster, as going first is still a 4500 attack monster on the field that can be protected only one time by the spell card Neos Fusion from graveyard from a destruction by banishing it. So I attack monster that cannot be destroyed the first turn. Just don't forget to use the fusion spell card in graveyard to protect it. And as you can see, I also play instant fusion with the only tuner that being a target of it. To make Alkefibrax, and I play 1 Ash Blossom in my deck to special summon it with Alkefibrax, or it's still a good enchant if I open with it in my starting hand. Alkefibrax is just here to extend my combo. Because you special one more monster, so it's better to make Link, just to spam the field. And sometimes if I not finish on Rainbow Neos, if you have 2 Link 2 on the field, you can make Abramax. I attack Link 4 monster that can be targeted by card effect. And gain the attack of a special monster in battle. And if you go second, it's almost the same combo. Just the problem, if you go second, you really need to open with Lightning Storm or Ash Blossom or any entrap you will play in your deck. Because it's like every deck, even if the deck is very good as going second, in Yu-Gi-Oh! In 2021, your opponent will lock you if he play a meta deck. And if you don't open with Super Polymerization, Lightning Storm, Pancraceratops, a good card like that to go second, it will be hard. And in that deck, I play a little combo with the rabbit that banish itself special summon 2 normal monster, so target the 2 normal Gladiator Beast. Then I made the Link one that is a spider. Allow me to special summon 1 normal Gladiator Beast from my hand. And I think I said everything you need to know about the deck. So the best monster to summon are Dominatus, Heraclinios, Abramax, Rainbow Neos. Editor is not good as itself, but you have the good effect to bring out what you want. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and see you next time.